Hey, creative friends. What's the weather like in your part of the world? We had a small dusting of snow this morning, but it's already melted away. But that's okay with me. But anyway, it got me to thinking, and I had gotten I had just gotten something that came in a box that was white. So white cardboard on one side. And so I thought, oh, this white cardboard, I'm going to make a snowman and laser cut it. And so that's what I've done. I actually did the laser cutting on the brown side. And I thought, oh, that'll be fine. I'll just do the laser cutting on the brown side and then I can flip it over. But lo and behold, that's where the UPC symbol was. So, of course, I can peel that off, but I don't know. I think that is going to take off the layer of my white paper. So anyway, you can cut this and then put it together however you would like. I did draw this in Inkscape myself, so I'm going to go ahead and share the file. Feel free to do with it whatever you want. I'm going to share the SVG and also the NC file, which you'll have to right click on it, save it, and you're going to download it as a text file, and then you'll just have to change that extension back to .nc, and then it will work on our NAJ application, the desktop NAJ application. But anyway, feel free to put this together any way you want. You could still do white and then maybe have some brown trees, but unfortunately my it would kind of cover the tree if you did it that way, but yeah, feel free to play around with it and then set that up any way you would like. And depending on, this was very thin cardboard, so depending on the thickness of your cardboard, you may be able to glue all these pieces together and then have it stand on its own. This one may be too thin to do that, and so you're going to have two leftover circles, so you could always go and just glue it to the base like that, and that will help it stand better. But anyway, so I'm gonna decide which way I want to do this and just glue it all together, and I'll show you the final thing. And then it's been a long time since I've done a Cricut cut, and so this file, you could do it either way. So I have just cut it out of some cardstock on my Cricut Maker, and so I'm going to put that together and then show you. And of course you could do, you know, any color that you want for paper. And thanks for watching. Okay, here they are all glued together. Of course, with the Cricut Maker, you don't have to do all four layers. You could do whatever layers and colors you want. And so in Cricut Design Space, if you import the SVG, you should be able to ungroup it and then well, you could resize it first and then ungroup and then set it to whatever color you want. And then for the laser file, basically all you can do is just resize the whole NC file image whenever you bring it into the NAJ desktop app. But I ended up going with the brown. Again, if you're careful about your cuts, you can, it looks really good that way too if I didn't have that sticker there. So anyway, but thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in buying either of these devices, I absolutely love them. So the Cricut Maker or this NAJ laser. And so I'll include some affiliate links below. If you are interested at all, just if you don't mind using that affiliate link, I would really appreciate that. But I will talk to you guys later. And I will finish out with just some screenshots of the cutting process for both of these machines and the settings that I used for the laser. So, thanks.